Hi, I'm Kai and today we have a look on the Quick Access toolbar in EPLAN. The Quick Access toolbar is really helpful, especially for tasks you do frequently in EPLAN. For example, you want to change some project settings or you want to export labels. It can make sense to put these tasks on the Quick Access toolbar and use it from there instead of navigate to the right button. And how to save your Quick Access toolbar to your workspace is also part of this video. So I hope you are now curious, and now let's have a look how it works. So here on the top left corner you can see the Quick Access toolbar. With a right click wherever you want, you can customize the Quick Access toolbar. And there is another parameter, Show Quick Access Toolbar, below the ribbon. So it depends on your preference where you want to have it. I like to have it on the left corner. And there is another point we have to look. This is the workspace. Here on the right side you can find the workspace. So in case we want to change something here, we make a right click and click on Customize Quick Access Toolbar. And here you get this window. You have Quick Access and the ribbons. We want to change the Quick Access and you can here select the tabs. You can also select all comments, then you have a long list. Or when you want to have some functions from a specific tab, you can also filter here. So I like to use operations from the File tab because this is what needs the longest time in EPLAN. And what I do frequently is, for example, call up settings. So when we click here on the button, you get it here on the list, and with the arrows you can also shift it to the right position. We click now OK and can use now this button to access the settings instead of go to File and Settings. When you now change your workspace, for example, you go to a Pro Panel workspace, maybe you have different workspaces, you see that the settings is not available here anymore. And we go now back. You see that now it's also not here. So what we do is now we go to Edit Workspace and add a new one. You can also add a description here and click OK. So now we click on Save. And now we add our call up settings. We click now here on the last one and then it goes on the last position automatically. And another one, for example, export labeling. This is also something I need frequently. And click OK. Especially for export labeling, this is really complicated to get it. So you see that it's here instead of here. What you need to do now is that you go back to your workspace and save it. So, and now when we changed our workspace and change it back to our workspace, what we have defined before, you see that the Quick Access toolbar stay with the commands you have added here. And this helps you to navigate much more faster in EPLAN. Now I want to know from you which functions you have on your Quick Access toolbar. Please write it down in the comments. If you liked this video, please drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.